His team talking to one of his drivers down there on the grid. It has become very interesting indeed at the top of the championship. Top four now. Riley Dickinson on the inside of row number 2 for Kelly Moss Road and Race with Matty Graham in the MDK Motorsports machine. Matty from Stamford and up in Northumberland. British youngster, first time in this championship, or has been plying his trade for the Porsche Carrera Cup GP this year.
I'm not trusted with that. That's what I said to my dad. Was like, if someone's coming, I was like, I'm fine on my own. He's like, no, you're not. Special stuff. I made it personally a few weeks back.
Oh,
personally made it.
See, if we could,
It's only V1, so it's got a few tweaks to go, but.
Oh, I'm happy to be a test group. Yeah. Focus group, absolutely. Yeah.
I'm going to say no to that. Just a subscription every weekend.
Yeah.
Just send it.
Next year you come to the race on Hell and I are 30 pounds heavier.
Synergy, marketing, cross promotion.
green flag is in the hand of Tanner Bell. Will he do as good a job as that as Talon did with the driver's start command? Tanner part of the Ragnar race that we had here on foot. The green flag is in the air. Yeah, pretty good job. Down towards the first corner, right down, hugging the inside wall. That's Kai van Berlo. Parker Thompson has been dropped from second. Through goes Dickinson. Dickinson from row 2 goes into the lead. Straight on for the MDX car. That was Matty Graham. I think he'll rejoin. Now he's going to come out right in front of the cars. He'll have to drop back a little bit in that number 91 car. That was Matty Graham for MTK Motorsports. So it is the number 3 of Kai van Berlo cycled back to the front. Here comes Estep across the curbs at turn 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across the track and off the track as they came out of turn 6. The gloves are off here. Nobody's saving their cars for another race this weekend.
In our pro class, in third place, make some noise for Mr. Matty Graham. Great job, gentlemen. Trophies up one more time. How about one more round of applause for your pro class here in the Carrera Cup North America. Gentlemen, it is time to celebrate. Gentlemen, it is time to celebrate.